Introducing the only wheelchair-accessible Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy on the market, exclusively from Freedom Motors USA. Luxury, style, technology, and safety, this vehicle features it all. From distinctive LED lighting to Napa leather seats to a 12.3-inch touchscreen, this SUV is the total wheelchair-accessible package. Only Freedom Motors offers the widest ramps in the market, because wider is better. No squeezing, no struggling, just smooth, safe access. Do not limit yourself to a 30-inch wide ramp. We offer a 33-inch wide ramp on all Hyundai Palisade conversions. Now available with our one-touch automatic conversion system, the ultimate in independence and ease. Shop the largest selection of wheelchair-accessible SUVs on the market. Factory direct. No middleman, no markup, just factory direct pricing. We pioneered the rear entry accessible conversion, and we've perfected it. More ground clearance, more reliability. Never get blocked in again. Park in spots that side entry conversions can never dream to park in. Built right here in Battle Creek, Michigan by our master craftsmen. Over 90% of our components are built right here in our 200,000 square foot factory using cutting edge laser cut tech. We made shopping simple. We offer walk-around videos, in-home demonstrations, and offer our Fly, Try, Buy program. We will fly you in at our expense to find your dream vehicle. With a 4.8-star Google rating and family-owned dedication, Freedom Motors delivers quality, longevity, and trust. The Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy, wheelchair-accessible luxury has arrived. Freedom to choose, freedom your way.